Get ready to be amazed, because this completely honest finding perfect is officially taking over the internet. Stop scrolling right now. If you highly value smart solutions, you already know that the build quality is premium. It is crafted specifically to make your life much smoother. What makes this so unique compared to ordinary items is that it cuts down your daily stress significantly. No more wasting your hard-earned money on things that break after 2 days. This piece is built tough, highly efficient, and super simple to operate. It is clearly the best investment you can make for anyone trying to upgrade their current setup. Demand is extremely high for thsi right now. Make sure you don't miss this opportunity before it's completely gone. Get ready to be amazed, because this completely honest finding perfect is officially taking over the internet. Stop scrolling right now. If you highly value smart solutions, you already know that the build quality is premium. It is crafted specifically to